Hello guys, hello teacher and hello classmates. Good holy and good day. I'm Warren James G. Pancho from DPED 2A student. So I'm here in your front to talk about on how we fuel our body and every day of our life. So we have two questions to answer that Ma'am Cha given to us. So this this is the number one question. So I must read the question. As a student, how does the food you eat before going to school affect your energy, focus, and participation in class activities? So when we talk about class activities, this includes the recitations, reportings, or even performances. So as a student, if if we are going to school, mostly we're going to take our breakfast first before going to school. So every morning, we go to the carinderias to bought some foods, and I highly choose the foods that can can help my my energy to boost at the school. So I choose the vegetables like the squash, like pakbet. So pakbet is known for mixed vegetables. So many benefit can have a big impact, a good impact to our body to make us energetic and to have a focus like in reporting or like in examinations, no? So it is highly recommended to have a energetic participation to the class, to avoid sleeplessness, like our teacher talking in the front, and we at the back are going to sleep. So it is not appropriate to do so. All we need to do is to eat healthy foods in the morning, like vegetables, also fruits. Those fruits can help our body to have the energy, to have the strength. Many fruits at the stores outside to our house that we can buy. So that's my answer on question number one. So next question is number two, last question. As a student, what healthy food choices can you make during break time to help you stay active and attentive throughout the day, and why? So every break time, like in my vacant hour, especially in 9:30 to 10:30, that's my break time. So I'm going to the canteen outside the school, and if they have peanut, so I choose peanut because peanut is can help our body to stay awake, to awake our blood, our body, and to have a strength. Also, if I'm going in the break time, I'm going to the 7-Eleven to bought a yogurt like Yakult, Delight, and any other yogurt that can make our uh, body energetic. And also sandwiches. Sandwiches can help our body, to have a also strength, because if we could take sandwich, we could consider this for our lunch because of the bread, vegetables, and mayonnaise. So that was very healthy foods to eat in in our break time. So, and to make it balanced, please avoid soft drinks like Cokes, uh, Royals, and any other soft drinks that can make our body weak. So, thank you and good holy, and I hope you learned something. And good day, everyone. Thank you.